Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet. And it's Friday, and you know what that means. It's now time for another bold review dito sa Fridays with VMX only on Harriet. And today, I think this is official confirmation. This is the second installment, the sequel to the L anthology that was released way back in 2022. Oo, 3 years ago was the L anthology starring Vince Relon and three beautiful, voluptuous women. Sina Chloe Barreto, si... Sino ba? Stephanie Raz and Ayana Misola. Dagdag pa doon si Cara Gonzalez, saka si Jam Obispo. And it was one of the better series that BMX has put out. Now this anthology, since BMX doesn't do series anymore, wag na natin alahanin ang Wow Mani, medyo in-evolve nila ang L into movies. So, the first two titles have been revealed. If you check on the BMX app, some mark your calendars. They are entitled as Langoy. This is the one that we're reviewing today, and Lakad. So the third installment is yet to be entitled, pero base sa intro ng mismong pelikula na to, they put it L2. Okay? L2. Langoy. Meron dun parang mga L words, and ang pinaka may emphasize, langoy, lakad, lipad. So I guess that the third installment will be lipad. So this one is the first movie of the revived L anthology. This is starring B.R. Relosa, Rica Gonzalez, Pia Peralta, Jem Milton, and Chloe Jenna. Yun. As always, ang mga karakter sa L nagsisimula sa letter L. We got Lennon, Loisa, diba? Leslie. So para hindi na tayo malito, I will just refer to them to their actor names. So para sa akin, what is L Langoy? So I think this is on a rough start. Para sa akin, di ko gets ano yung kwento na kailangan ibahagi dito. It starts with Victor Relosa doing soul searching, I guess. Tapos, siya ay sabog. Sumakay sa taxi. Tapos, kwento niya yung buhay niya kay Lennon. Ayun. So, si Relosa, isa siyang caretaker sa bahay ni Loisa. Si Loisa, si Rica Gonzalez, na medyo may pagkabaliw. Or I think she's traumatized or something. Pero medyo baliw siya. She screams randomly. Si Victor, napapanaganipan niya na nagtatalik sila ni Loisa gabi-gabi. To which parang di niya ma-admit. Kasi nga sa sitwasyon na meron si Loisa. So, apparently, na-meet niya dito marami siyang mga chicks na dito. Di ko alam anong parte ni Jem Milton. Nag-chess lang sila. Tapos, nagtalik. Siguro parausan lang. Pero ang pinaka may parang more heavier emphasis isang babae ni Victor dito is si Chloe Jenna. Okay? Na may asawa na. Pero, naging kaibigan niya si Loisa. Yung nanay niya, yung matanda. And, ayun, tinadala niya ng tsokolate, nag-hangout sila ni Relosa, kumain, tapos hinahanap siya ng asawa niya. So nalaman ni Victor may asawa pala si Chloe Jenna, and nagtago sila pas nagtalik. So yun. So based on my reaction, pretty mid. I think yung kay Jenna yung pinakamagandang pagtatalik dito. I think the Milton scene was too over the top. Jenna has the right rhythm, for the lack of the better term. At saka medyo overexposed yung kay Rika dito. Like, yung, parang ano eh, ang illusion kasi dito, hindi nagtatalik si, may gusto si Victor kay Rika, pero hanggang panaginip lang. Ayun. Tapos, nag-uwi si Victor ng isang estudyante, si Pia Peralta, pangalan Leslie, nagtalik sila, tapos muntik silang mahuli. Ayun. Di ko alam, alam ko kasi umalis yung nanay ni Loisa, tapos biglang bumalik. So, di ko sure. Bebenta daw yung bahay, di ba? Ayun. So, nawala si Rika. Tingnan yung mundo. Meron siyang goldfish. Ang pangalan, Laya. Tapos, nabawi ni Victor si Rika. Mas nawala rin nung bumili ng bagong goldfish Victor. And that's it. That's it. Tapos, bumalik tayo sa saan pinanggalingan natin. Yung kwento ni Victor, yung buhay niya doon sa kay Lennon. So, pretty non-substantial movie para sa akin. I don't get the story. Really? Did Loisa died or something? Nagtalik ba sila dito? Hirap kasi i-distinguish kung totoo ba nagtalik si Loisa sa si VR eh. Pero ang alam ko, nagke-care talaga si Relosa sa nagke-care si Relosa dun sa karakter ni Rica Gonzalez dito. Okay? So tuwing nababaliw si Rika or nagkakaroon ng panic attack, to the rescue naman itong si Victor. Pero, like I said, I don't know what half the movie is happening. So, I can't really critique. Yung parang kailangan ko panoorin to twice just to get it. Okay? Ayun. I think the best performance really here to with respect to Rika is Chloe Jenna kasi naging magkaibigan sila ni Victor, nagtalik sila, meron siyang character arc doon sa yung asawa ni Chloe Jenna, siya yung mismong villain, binugbog muntik nang bugbugin ng asawa ni Chloe, si Victor, pas umakot si Jenna, and that's it, that's the end of the story, write out na siya. Yung dalawa, babae, they're just extra scenes. Pwede mo sila tanggalin sa eksena and it won't affect the story at all. So, ba't sila nandun, di ba? Yeah. For something that is part or the sequel to one of my favorite, L1, Larawan, di ba? May pa-soundtrack ba eh. Yung kay Jello, sa kay Bicos. Tapos, yung si Vince Rilon, saka si Ayana nun, di ba? Kabog yung eksena nila dun. Dito, it felt lacking. Okay? I just felt that I got ripped off for 1 hour and 16 minutes. And yeah, that's my review of El Langoy. Thank you for watching. Let's go back. Let's backpedal a bit. Next week, August, ano ba yun, August 14? Whatever. Kung ano man yung Martes, date ng Martes, there's August 12. I think August 12, maybe. August 12. It's going to be Triangulo. Looking forward to it. It has Sky Gonzaga. I think this is Sky Gonzaga's last Viva Max film. Kasi sa Facebook, kilala na siya as Mira eh. Hindi na siya Sky eh. So, this is maybe her last. Thank you, Sky. Ayun. Okay, thank you for watching. This is your boy, the God Gamer himself. Goodbye. Good night. Bang.